Good morning students. Welcome to computer class of 9th standard. Today we will discuss a new chapter number 1, Introduction to Object Oriented Programming Concepts. Under this we will discuss what is a program, what do you mean by programmer, what is a programming language, and evolution of programming languages. And these objectives we will discuss through page number 1, page number 2 and page number 3. So start with definition. Program, a set of instructions given to the computer. Instructions include any kind of instructions, like in MS Word you are going to save a file. So we will give the instructions with the help of mouse, like click on file menu, click on save option. Similarly, if you have to calculate the sum of two numbers, so you will open the calculator. So these all consist of instructions. The next definition is programmer. A programmer is a person who writes the computer program. Now all the instructions like how to save the file, how to calculate, these different programs are written by a programmer. So a person who writes the computer program is called a programmer. The next definition is programming, the process of writing a computer program. Now whichever language or the things have followed or syntax are used to write a program, that is called a programming. The next definition is programming language, a set of commands and syntax used to create a computer program. So which rules should be followed to write a computer program? That language is called a programming language. Clear students? Now we will discuss what is a program. See the students, if your brother or sister tell you to make a glass of lemon juice, and if you told him do it by yourself and he don't know the steps, so you will give some instructions. Now how you will give instructions to him? Like, get the glass, put the water, add lemon and taste it. So you have given him instructions how to make a juice. Similarly, in the computer program, when we have to perform anything, we will give instructions to the computer. Like, if you want to calculate two numbers, so how you will give the instructions to computer? Print, enter two numbers. Number 2, accept value in A. Number 3, accept value in B. Add A and B and store it into third variable, that is C. And number 5, print the sum. So this way we will give instructions to computer to calculate two numbers. The next we will discuss what is a programmer or who is a programmer. A programmer is a person who uses various languages like C, C++, Python, C#, Java, PHP to make a computer programs. With the help of various languages, he will create the software. The next we will discuss programming languages. So various programming languages are used to make a computer programs, like to make the games, to make different softwares. So programming languages are used to make the different softwares. The next topic we will discuss is evolution of programming languages. Means how different languages have been developed over the years. As we know that language is a way to communicate with each other. Means if two persons want to talk to each other, they need to understand each other's language. Similarly, to give instructions to computer and to do programming, many languages have been developed over the years because computer understands only binary language, that is 0 and 1. So over the years many generations of computer and languages have been developed that make it easy for the user to give instructions to computer. Now we will understand the different generations of programming language. See, programming languages have been divided into two categories. First one, low level programming, and number two, high level programming languages. Under low level programming languages, we are having first generation and second generation, and under high level programming languages, we are having third generation, fourth generation and fifth generation. Now we will discuss all these languages in detail. The first language we are having is first generation programming. This language is having the time period between 1940 till 1956. This is the first programming language used by the programmers, also called 1GL, means first generation language, and it is also regarded as machine language because this language used binary numbers, that is zeros and ones, and it is also come in the category of low level language. The next we are having second generation programming. Second generation programming having the time period between 1959 till 1965. This language uses transistors in place of vacuum tubes. This language is also called assembly language because this language uses symbolic operations called mnemonics in place of 0 and 1. For example, to add two items, they will use the symbol ADD, and to subtract two numbers, the symbol is SUB. The next language we will discuss is third generation programming language. This language have been used between 1966 till 1975. With this languages, high level language have been started. This language is also known as 3GL, that is third generation language, a high level language which is close to English. Now in this language instructions are given in English language. For example, if age is greater than equal to 18, then print candidate can vote, else print candidate cannot vote. So it is very easy to give instructions in third generation language as compared to assembly language that use mnemonics, and as compared to machine language that uses binary numbers 0 and 1. The next language we are having fourth generation programming language. Fourth generation programming language have been used between 1976 till 1999. And in this language microprocessor have been used. Also known as 4GL, means fourth generation language, a database language which is close to natural language, that is English. This language is non-procedural. This means that here programmer specifies what is required rather than how it is to be done. So here desired results are outlined by the programmer and computer is expected to provide them. Clear students? The next we are having is fifth generation language. These languages have their time period from 1986 till onward. This language is more reliable, means it works on every computer, works very faster, easily portable, means program can be easily transferred from one computer to another. Computers are coming in different sizes like microcomputers, mini computers, laptops, smartphones, etc. with different features. Their speed is very high because of multiple processors, and parallel processes are working like different programs working at the same time. This language is also known as 5GL. that is fifth generation language, mainly used in artificial intelligence. Through this language, computer will directly understand human beings. Understanding speech would be common to computers, means computer can easily understand the human language. Today we have discussed different computer languages like 1GL, 2GL, 3GL, 4GL and 5GL. 1GL is a machine language that uses zeros and ones. 2GL is assembly language that uses mnemonics like ADD, SUB. 3GL is a high level language. In this, various languages like Fortran, Pascal, C, C++, Basic and Java are used to make the computer programs. 4GL is a very high level language that uses languages like Access and APL to make the databases. And 5GL is also very high level language that is used for artificial intelligence. So these are the different languages that have been developed over the years to make the computer programs. So students, today we have discussed the definition of program, programmer, programming and programming language, and we have discussed the various objectives like what is a program, who is a programmer, what do you mean by programming, what is a programming language and evolution of different programming languages. So students, revise this topic carefully, follow the different examples that we have discussed, understand the definition, and in the next video we will come with next topic. Thank you very much.